Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HOTWAV Note 12 and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So all you have to do is to swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device and hold it somewhere here, just like that. And after releasing, you can see that here we've got the recents, and if you want to, you can close, for example, only one of those apps or two of them, just find it and then swipe it up. However, if you've got a lot of apps opened, I highly recommend to tap on clear all. And as you can see, we will just go back to the home page. We had also the information, which simply means that we just successfully closed all background apps. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.